In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add sound effects on your KineMaster videos. Adding sound effects is quite simple. If you'll find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Okay, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is open your track or open your app and then add your track to the timeline. And to add the sound effects, go to this audio option here. You can see it here and then tap on it. From here, you can see under audio here, we have quite a number of products such as music, short music, sound effects, recordings, as well as songs. For our case, we want sound effects, so we shall choose this SFX. This is sound effects. If you tap on it, it will go ahead and list all the available sound effects on KineMaster. So scroll through this list and find we have quite a number of free sound effects that you can choose from, and we have others that are paid. So for instance, we want to choose cheers. If we tap on it, it will go ahead and list a variety of cheers that are available. We have cheering and laughter. So we have these two options. For my case, I'll choose cheering, which is the first one. Great. And to add it, just tap on plus and it will be added on your timeline. Now you can move it anywhere that you want. If you want it to begin from the beginning, it will be applied as so. Once you're done, now you can tap on this X and you'll be good to go. So that's how you add sound effects on your videos in KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.